In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get better drills in Oil Empire here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to make your way over to the drills and refinery section. Make your way specifically to the drill shop. Once you interact with this, you're going to see all these different drills that you can go ahead and purchase. And there is a lot of them on here. But I'd start by buying the best drill that you can afford and place it on your base. A good strategy is to line up your drills efficiently so they feed into your refiners without actually slowing down production. Just keep collecting your gasoline and selling it and reinvesting that money into stronger drills. As you do unlock higher tiers, keep replacing your old drills with better ones, and you can also stack multiple strong drills together so that you can boost your output even faster. But that really is it. Just sell your fuel, upgrade your drills, and just keep reinvesting to get the best production setup. If you want my opinion on the best production, what you can do is line up essentially a row of your drills, a row of refineries, just like so, and you'll be good to go. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.